Most 115-footers cruise at 12 knots. The Pershing GTX116 runs at 35. This is the Sport Utility Yacht, Pershing's new flagship and the fastest yacht of its size ever launched. Built by Pershing at Foredeck Group's Mondolfo facility. Designed by Fulvio De Simone, carbon-reinforced GRP hull and superstructure. World premiere at Cannes 2023. 3-man V12 engines, 2,000 horsepower each. Triple Kongsberg Kamewa Waterjets. Top end 35 knots. Cruise at 29.5 knots. 400 nautical miles on 3,830 US gallons. 115 feet 7 inches overall. 25 feet 4 inches of beam. 4 feet 9 inches of draft. Shallow enough for island runs that exclude every displacement yacht its size. 3 signatures stand out. The Seascape transformer platform extends hydraulically from the transom, opening the entire stern to the water. A double toy garage swallows a tender and a jet ski, and the foredeck wraps a teak-trimmed jacuzzi into the foredeck. A prime position soak with lounging on either side. 5 guest cabins for 10 guests. Full beam owner's suite amidships where motion is minimal. Crew quarters for 5 aft. 430 square feet of Sportbridge with second helm and integrated bar. Bottom line, if you want a yacht that runs hard between island weekends and entertains like a 50-meter super yacht, the GTX116 is built for you. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.